Hello, my dear students. Welcome. We are here to discuss a new concept of English, and our today's topic is past tense. What is a past tense? Past tense is used to talk of the actions or things that take place or existed in the past. वो जो एक्शन जो हैं जो पास्ट में हो गए हैं, क्लियर, जहाँ वो बातें जो पास्ट में हो चुकी हैं, जैसे हम हिस्ट्री मान के चलें, तो उन चीज़ों को जब डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है तो हम किस टेंस को यूज़ करते हैं, वो होता है पास्ट टेंस. सो दिस टेंस इज़ ऑल्सो फोर काइंड्स. फर्स्ट इज़ past indefinite tense, second one past continuous tense, third one is past perfect tense, fourth and last type of tense is past perfect continuous tense. So let's start the past tense with past indefinite. Past indefinite tense is also known as simple past tense. And the definition first. It represents an action occurred in the past or habit of the past. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हमें बताता है कि कोई भी एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट में हो गया है, और या फिर ये किसी भी पर्सन की कोई पास्ट हैबिट के बारे में जब हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तो उसमें हम कौन सा टेंस यूज़ करते हैं, हम उसमें पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जाम्पल्स बेटा. So first is here, he watched the movie. Next, I played cricket when I was young. He watched the movie मतलब वो past की एक्टिविटी है कि उसने मूवी देख ली है. I played cricket when I was young. मैं जब जवान था तब मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था. तो सेकंड सेंटेंस में हमें किसी एक पर्सन की पास्ट एक्टिविटी के बारे में बताया गया है, उसकी हैबिट के बारे में बताया गया है. सो कीप इन योर माइंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब समबडीज पास्ट एक्टिविटी और हैबिट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. हाउ टू use the past indefinite tense? This is the biggest question. To know the tense very well, we have to look or remind the rules very well. So have a look on the rules of the tense. Rules. Affirmative sentences, use of second form of verb. This is very clear cut. In the past indefinite tense, we are going to use simple second form of verb in the positive sentences. Examples are there. First, Zara took his salary. Took is a second form of verb. Take, took, taken. Took is a second form of verb. We are going to use subject, second form of verb, as well as object in the sentences in the past indefinite tense. Second example here, I played cricket with my brother yesterday. I played. Simply here we used the second form of verb, that is played. Next, they shouted at the beggar. Again, they is a subject, shouted is a second form of verb, at the beggar here is the object. Next, practice time. Without practice time, we are sometime unable to do the tense accurately. So have a look on the practice time. Fill in the blanks with correct form of verb. You are going to fill in the 5 following fill-ups the accurate form of verb according to past indefinite tense. First, we have the parrot dash over our head. Fly. Accurate form of verb we are going to fill over here. Fly, flew, flown. And the answer is flew. The coach dash at the students. Shout. Shout, shouted, shouted. And the answer is shouted. I dashed to school yesterday. Go. Go, went, gone. And the answer is went. We dash a song. Sing. Sing, sang, sung. And the answer is sang. Ali dash the audience. Entertain. Entertain, entertained, entertained. And the answer is entertained. Clear? Next, negative sentences. In the negative sentences of the past indefinite tense, we are going to use did not plus first form of verb with all the subjects. And now we have the examples. Have a look. I did not prepare the dinner. Here, did not is a helping verb to show that the sentence is the negative one, and prepare here is the first form of verb, and we have a complete sentence of past indefinite tense, that is I did not prepare the dinner. Next, they did not win the match. They did not win. Win is a first form here. Win, won, won. Win is a first form here. And subject is they did not is a helping verb. Win is a first form of verb. And the match. They did not win the match. Priya did not write an essay. I hope all of you are able to understand how to use did not and first form of verb in the past indefinite tense. Next, Susan did not invite me. Now again we have a practice time. Rewrite the following sentences in the negative. हमने क्या करना है? We are going to change or convert the following positive sentences into the negative one. First, she sat down in the armchair. Come on, what would be the answer? She did not sat or sit? Sit. Yes, good. She did not sit down in the armchair. Have a look on the sentence. Next we have, he began to climb down. What would be the answer? He did not began. He did not begin to climb down. Third, they knew the answer. And the answer is, yes, they did not know the answer. First form of verb. We have to convert the second form of verb into the first one while we are rewriting the sentences into the negative form. I picked up a hot dish. And the answer is, I did not pick up a hot dish. Fifth, Shahid entertained the audience. And the answer is, Shahid did not entertain the audience. Clear? I hope all of you are enjoying the past indefinite tense. Next, interrogative sentences. The sentences, those have the question mark at the end of the sentence, they are known as the interrogative sentences. So let's begin the topic. Rules. Use of did before the subject plus first form of verb. We already know in the interrogative sentences we use helping verb before the subject and then verb, and at the end of the sentence we put a question mark in the various sentences. Have a look on the examples. Did the servant open the door? Did. Servant is a subject. We here use the did before the subject. Did the servant open is a first form of verb, and then the object is the door, and at the end of the sentence there is a question mark, and the whole sentence is, did the servant open the door? Next, where did he go after the school? Where did he go after the school? मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया हुआ है कि जब भी WH फैमिली वाले सेंटेंसेस होते हैं तो वो तो लगते ही लगते हैं, लेकिन हमें हमेशा एक चीज़ जो है वो दिमाग में रखनी है कि सब्जेक्ट के पहले जो होता है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगता है. ठीक है, जब भी आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन को इंट्रोगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करते हो, आपके दिमाग में आते हैं WH वाले, तो आपने ध्यान में रखना है कि सब्जेक्ट से पहले आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाओगे. तो सेंटेंस है हमारे पास, वेयर डिड ही गो आफ्टर द स्कूल. डिड, देन गो, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, डिड दे वॉच द मूवी. Again, read the sentence aloud. Did they watch the movie? Did is a helping verb showing the second form of verb, and watch is a first form of verb, and the whole sentence is did they watch the movie? Question mark at the end of the sentence. Did she paint the picture? Did she paint the picture? Next, exercise 1. Convert the following sentences into past indefinite tense. As you already know कि we already did the tense conversion. 2 worksheet we have already done. How to convert the various tenses into the past indefinite. Just keep the rules in your mind of the given tense. We have the past indefinite tense. What are the rules? Use of second form of verb. In the negative one, we are going to use did not plus first form of verb. And in the interrogative sentences, we are going to use did and first form of verb. Clear? First sentence, Jerry has broken his leg. We just need subject, verb and object. Rest of the things, please avoid all. And then in the given sentence, I'm just telling Jerry is a subject. Then in the answer we are going to write Jerry. Then we need form of verb, and that is the second form of verb. Broken is the third form of verb. What is the second form? Yes, break, broke, broken. And the answer would be yes, Jerry broke his leg. Avoid has have, because has have is a part of present. Yes, present perfect tense. We are going to convert the present perfect tense into the past indefinite tense. We need just second form of verb and subject object, and the sentence is Jerry broke his leg. She is going to the concert, and the answer is she is no. We are going to use only just a simple second form of verb in the positive sentences. She went to the concert. Next, I practice yoga. First form, practice. I practiced yoga. Fourth, I have been waiting for you at the bus stop. I, only second form of verb. No need to be panicked to after seeing the different type of helping verb in the given sentences. Just keep the rules of present indefinite in your mind. That is second form of verb we are going to use over here. I waited for you at the bus stop. Have a look on the sentence. Clear? He does not like tea, and the answer is he did not like tea. I hope all of you have learned a lot. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please keep all the rules in your mind.